Yo, what's up guys? Hope you're all having a great day. In today's video we're going to be working on the E46. We're going to be using the Meguiars heavy headlight restoration kit, the heavy duty one, to work on the E46. As you can see, the headlights on these are completely faded out. No light can get through at night, so we're going to be using this to have a look if it works. I know you can replace these online. You can buy them for like 60 bucks a set. I had this lying around, so we're going to use this first and see if it works. And yeah, let's get to it.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Now that we have that done, we can take a little sponge and the coating, small bit on the side here, and apply it to the headlight. Alright guys, so here's the end result. It's much better than before. A couple spots are a bit messed up. I might need to go over it again with the kit, but compared to how it was before, which on the other headlight you can see you couldn't see anything, and after using the kit once, it's so clear. That's pretty dope. Yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna quickly go over this one and do this one too, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I did skip a couple of steps in this because I didn't really have the instructions, but I just wanted to get this over with because I've been meaning to do this for a long time. But compare that to this, that's so much better. So yeah guys, that's pretty much the end of this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really happy that we were able to restore the headlights. If you guys enjoyed the video, consider hitting the like button down below and subscribing. I'm going to be posting more often this year. And yeah, catch you all in the next one. See ya. So here's a quick little update on the other one. I got the other one done as well, and to be honest, it looks so much better, guys.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand.